Here I have ZTE Blade A7s, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located on this edge of your device here. So what you have to do is to just put the tool inside the hole next to the slot, and the slot will come out. Then you can eject it with your hands. And here you should put SD card, and next to it SIM card, and then just like that put it back into your device. And as you can see, it requires PIN code to unlock my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter PIN code, and there is also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is read too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.